Good morning, this is Mr. Coleman, and I just thought I'd make a very quick video showing everybody how to use Collin's Big Cat ebook library that would have been sent home with your child's home learning pack this Friday. So you would have got this this parent guide in your pack along with your child's username and password as well. You need both of those. You can have a quick read through and it just shows you how to use the Big Cat library, and I thought I'd just make a quick video showing you as well. So first thing we need to do is click on this link. I'm going to copy and paste it so it opens in Google Chrome. So it's a much better browser. So it should bring you to something like this. So I'm going to log in as me. And when you first log in, I'm hoping it'll do this, it should give you yeah, here we go. It should bring you straight away to your library, and it should offer you a little tour, so you can have a quick look through that and click on Get Started, or you can just skip. So it says here straight away in your library, so you can see here these are all the books that have been assigned to me, and I've got quite a few different levels of books here, just so it's relevant for everybody. So let's take this one here, Sip It. So just very nicely click on Read, and it'll ask you to start the tour, and you can do. I'm just going to skip it because I'm going to show you today. So at the side here there is a table of contents. Now for this book it's only very small, but for other books it will be increasingly larger as well, and it can also tells you where you've bookmarked as well. Just going to disregard those for the time being though. And up here it'll show you we're on page 1. Now it'll give you the option of showing you whether you want it as a single page or a double page, and then this is the zoom button here, so we can just pan in and out. So I'm going to have it as a double page for now, and all that you do is you just click across next on there and it will show you. So this is a phase 2 book, so it gives you a few activities to do before reading, and then we go straight into the reading of the book. Now I believe up here, if you have a look at this, you can play some. There we go, if we heard that, maybe play it a little bit louder. So you can play each page like that through the audio button. This one will take it to full screen. To exit full screen, you just do that, and if you want to zoom in a little bit, you can use the hand to click it and drag it around between pages. Single pages look like this. I prefer single page reading. So that's quite a simple book, and as you can see it just goes along to each page at the top. Okay, so if you want to go back, you can just click back to library, and let's read a slightly harder book now. So down here we've got a gold book band, so I'm going to read this one, and you'll see with this one the table of contents is a little bit bigger. Okay. It still only covers the main part of the story though. Again, just click on that cross if you don't want that. Don't think that does anything. Nope. And up there we can see that this is there's an audio option for this, so we can play it as well. And it's very much the same. So let's say we're going to read through this. Oh, it's a yellow book, not a gold one. And let's say we're going to stop there, and we're going to go back to the library. And then if we want to go back to it later on, should open straight up onto where we save the bookmark. So just click it off and then carry on reading through the book like that. Okay, and so the bookmarks probably I only thought that was a gold book, so that's why I did it for that. Let's take it to this one, microorganisms. So this is a Key Stage 2 book. And you can see this is where I got to earlier, my little bookmark there. So on the side of the Key Stage 2 books, they are a little bit larger, so the table of contents is also a little bit larger. So you can see it's taken us to page 60, 61. And then the same sort of thing, if you wanted to bookmark that and go back, and let's say we wanted to read Sip It, we go into zip it, and it stays on the page. It bookmarks the page anyway, the page that you got up to, but it's always handy to have a bookmark. And there we go, it should take us right back to the bookmark there. Okay, now this book here doesn't have an audio option. In fact, I think some of the Key Stage 2 books do, but not all of them. So this is a white book band. Let's have a quick look here. Yeah, this one does have an audio option. That'll probably be the last book band that does have an audio option though. So anything above white will not. Okay. On the side here, it will just have a few little things there. There's not really much that you can do. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about as well, when you sign in on the internet, it will give you the option to download the app. So if you sign in on the internet on your phone or tablet and you have an iPad or iPhone, you click on the Apple Store. If it's Android, you click on the Play Store, like that. That's quite simple and straightforward. So let's just have a look at what it looks like. That's what it looks like in the Play Store, and that's what it looks like in the App Store. Okay, so highly accessible to use either on the computer or on any handheld devices as well. I definitely recommend getting the app for it. If you're using it on a handheld device, it'll make it a lot easier to navigate rather than using an internet browser. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Hope you find it useful, and if you have got any issues, email your class teacher. And of course, if you get through all the books that have been allocated, email your class teacher and they will allocate you some more. There are literally thousands to choose from, so please do that. Thank you very much. See you later.